So, hi dear Pisces, a very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a journal mid-monthly reading for all the Pisces Sun, Moon, Venus rising from 15th till the 30th of September. And uh, yeah, we are good to go. I'm going to tap into recent, past, current energies, and near future, and we will see the guidance as usual. And what else? Yeah, starting with the overall energy, and if it is not resonating, it's not your soul, you can just skip the video. Okay, if you want to be a professional tarot card reader like me, you can start your journey by purchasing my course. The link is in the description box for the same. If you want to start your self-healing journey with Ho'oponopono but don't know from where to start, you can definitely start by purchasing my masterclass. Again, the link is in the description box for the same, and it has the power to change your life for the rest of your life. Trust me on that, I'm doing it from a very long time now. And if you want one-on-one healing sessions or personal readings, you can check out the description box and you can mail me for the same. So let's start. So Pisces, let's see. Overall energy for Pisces people for the rest of the month of September 2024 is, let's see. We have the Chariot. So Pisces, you are going to be in this determination, in this energy of no matter what, I have to move forward, I have to keep moving forward, I'm not going to look back. So you're going to understand all the pros and cons, all the negatives and positive, all the blue, black and whites of a particular situation, and then you are going to be in this energy of determination and moving forward with that determination. Okay, now let's see in the recent past what was happening. Two of Pentacles. So in the recent past, you were going back and forth about a particular person or situation. You were in there, then you were not in there, then you were there, then you were not in there. So basically, confusion kind of energy. In the current situation, Ten of Swords, you are feeling defeated by something or someone, and you are actually blaming the universe for something that happened. You are like, okay, my God, the universe is kind of punishing me again and again for something that I was not doing actually. By the end of this month, I do see you healing and moving on from the pain that you're experiencing right now at this present moment. Let me clarify these cards, giving me mixed kind of vibes. Let me clarify the Two of Pentacles in the recent past for you guys, Pisces. We have the Ten of Wands, the Seven of Cups, and the King of Pentacles. So you were not able to make a choice, okay, regarding something stable, regarding some kind of stable deal on the table. Either you were very highly unstable in a situation, you were like hell confused, and you were trying to drop the situation, but you were not able to do that. But finally, you did that. So maybe physically you left a situation or you dropped a situation, but you were mentally and emotionally very confused, and you were trying to find a balance. You were like, oh my God, I have to find my balance, I have to center myself, I have to ground myself, but this, because this is that's killing me and killing my energies and fucking with my mind. Okay, in the recent past that was happening, something was mind fuckingly bad for you. I'm sorry, what should I say now, because it was giving me this kind of vibes only. Okay, but you were trying your best to let go of that situation, let go of the confusion, trying to find a center ground, a peace, like a peaceful kind of a solution to a problem. But again, you were trying but not able to get that. Hmm? Now, Ten of Swords, you're feeling defeated in some way, betrayed in some way, and you're trying to find the light at the end of the tunnel. So whatever happened. Now you are just trying to get up and find the light again in your life. Okay, let me clarify the Ten of Swords here. We have the Ten of Swords, the Judgment, and the Six of Pentacles. You're not in the mood of giving anymore, or you are not in the, you're right now in the energy of trying to balance your own life, trying to balance your own energies, trying to center your own energies, find a center ground or middle ground to your own energies. Right now, you are not in this forgiving and forgetting and giving chances over chances to other people and situations and be a god kind of mode. No, right now you're in this energy of finding your own inner peace, finding your own inner balance. You're going through some kind of losses in your life, might be multiple losses in multiple areas of your life, and you're trying to just center and ground yourself as much as you can and trying to find the light at the end of the tunnel, and being very optimistic and positive that someday it is going to be sorted. Even if it is not right now, someday it is definitely going to be sorted. This kind of energy I'm looking for, for you guys for the time being, right? Not in the mood of talking a lot, not in the mood of sharing a lot, not in the mood of forgiving and forgetting and moving ahead a lot, but in the mood of taking care of yourself as much as you can, getting your shit together, getting your shit done as much as you can, right? By the end of this month, moving on, even if it is going to be painful for you, but you are going to move on from something or someone. Let me clarify the Three of Swords. We have the Magician in reverse, the Five of Pentacles, and the Three of Cups. Yeah, all you're doing right now, Pisces, is to move on from the pain, from the losses, from everything that is kind of sucking the blood out of you, right? Energetically also you are drained, physically and emotionally also you are not feeling well. So something around you is going on that's kind of testing you, testing your power. Right now you are in the survival mode only. I guess, Pisces, most of you are in this energy of trying to manifest this energy of coming out of the losses, coming out of the pain, coming out of this energy of wanting to be with somebody very badly. I do see you releasing everything and everyone and focusing on yourself, your healing, your happiness, your growth, right? But at the same time, not feeling that as well, not feeling like doing anything about it. Pisces, what is happening? I can feel your energy in my gut right now, that there is something that's bothering you from deep, 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 deep inside, and you're trying your best to stay normal, to stay calm, but at the same time you're losing your calm with everything and everyone that's coming your way. It's kind of pissing you off because there's something that you are not either accepting or not healing it. Even if you're accepting it, you're not healing it, or you're not properly healing it. Something in you needs a deep rooted healing. Okay, that's how it is going to be healed, not how you are trying to like heal it, like by distracting yourself or trying to distract yourself from multiple people, multiple energies, or parties, or fun, or doing something that you should not be doing, or procrastination. I think right now you're going through that phase of your life where you are in some kind of denial over some kind of painful situation. From time to time you're accepting it, like, yeah, this is what it is and I have to heal, but then you're coming back to the denial phase, and you're kind of harming and hurting yourself only emotionally and mentally. So you need help here, Pisces. I'm really sure about it that you need help. You need somebody who can help you to get out of the situation. Now that somebody is a healer or a therapist or a spiritual guru or somebody who can help you to calm down your energies. The guidance, Pisces, let's see. Tower, Ace of Pentacles, the Queen of Swords. There is going to be a blessing in disguise, but if you're not going to be in your right mindset, right energies, you are going to miss this opportunity, and you're going to regret it later. If you're going to be rude and cold and detached towards everything and everyone that's coming towards you, even if they're trying to help you, even if they're trying to like give you something stable on the table, something good on the table, especially if it is related to your money, job, career, or your stability in some way, for long-term stability or security or safety, might be you are going to turn down an offer or an opportunity that has the potential to become something huge in the coming future because of whatever you're going through right now. So a blessing in disguise is there for you guys, but all you guys have to do is to heal yourself properly in order to see that blessing. But you're right now so much in a cloudy and foggy kind of energy that you might not be able to see even the good energies that's coming towards you. So it's highly recommend to separate your rational and your emotional things and heal yourself properly, accept the situation for what it is, stop living in some kind of denial, or what should I say, and heal yourself properly, honey, because again a blessing is coming towards you, but you might mess this up if you're not going to be clear, and if you're not going to be in an open and receiving kind of energy from the universe's side, from your side, sorry, because the universe is kind of sending you some kind of blessing in the form of a person, might be a new energy, new person who can help you to get out of the situation, plus give you some kind of good opportunity. But again, if you're going to be very dependent on something or someone for your happiness, then again it's going to have a like create problem. So you have to heal yourself properly, you have to stand on your 2 feet and understand that you are the only person who is responsible for your sadness and happiness. Then you are going to attract this kind of energy, but be open to receive and be open to new people, new situation, new connection, new things. Then only it will help you. It's a very complicated reading, it's very complicated, I'm sorry to say, but this is what I have for you. Hope this helps. Thank you so much for tuning in, Pisces. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you, namaste.